You need tools to be successful on YouTube. When you start your YouTube channel, figure out what you're gonna talk about, figure out who you're trying to reach, and then figure out, aside from YouTube, another platform that can help you grow, because YouTube is long term. The other platform, you can just grow like that. What do you need as far as a YouTube? You don't need like a fancy camera. I don't even know how to use the camera. I tried recording on a camera. We have a really nice camera. I didn't know how to use it, so I stick to my phone, because one, you just need a phone. Start a phone, start recording. You need a stand. Either you can use Stack Books, but you can get a stand for like 20, 30 bucks. You need a microphone. At first I was struggling because my sound wasn't good. There was so noise everywhere and it was really horrible. So you need a microphone. You need some type of light, either at the window or a stand light. I had to invest me in some nice light, but I had to learn how to use it too. Sometimes they're so bright because I don't know how to adjust on my phone the lighting. So learn how to do that. Watch videos on YouTube on how to, you know, all this equipment, see where to get them. You can get them on Amazon, you can get them at Walmart. All these stores have, you can get a kit, like a starter kit. My hubby was nice enough to give me like a whole like setup, so which was really nice, but I had to learn to use it. You're gonna do that on your phone. You are going to need an app to edit your videos. So you're not going to just upload the video, you just take it from your camera or from your phone and just put them on the internet. So you need an app, and I was using InShot, and the other one I use, I can't remember the name of it. But yeah, you need apps. I trying to pay for TubeBuddy and all that stuff. I did actually for the first year. I had to cancel it. I realized after I canceled it, I started doing better because I wasn't even using it like that. So if invest some time on using all this software, and free, you can get free, edit your movies, take out all those flaps and all those sometimes I even leave them on my videos. So be yourself. You are going to need time. You're going to need time to not only record the videos, depending on what you need. I was doing videos on cooking and cleaning. That required a lot of time to be cooking, editing videos and uploading them consistently. I could not do that. So you need time to be doing that consistent. And you need a structure. You need to plan out what you're gonna do as far as your channel, your videos, and then after editing them, putting them out there, and then you need to promote them and let people know, okay, this is what's going on, go check it out. And you need to be on multiple platforms to send people over onto YouTube. And from there you can create shorts and all that stuff that will help you grow either your subscribers or your watch hours. So those are the things that you do. So don't put it off right now, moms. You think I used to say, oh my god, I don't have time, but share whatever is going on with you. If you don't mind sharing and how it helped you, that can help someone else. You can go from there instead of just like waiting and say, oh, my hair is not done. Like, I mean, most of the time, oh, my makeup, I'm not a makeup person, but sometimes oh, I don't have this. Just excuses. If you're really into it, stop making excuses. Just record the video, edit them out, cutting all those things. If you don't know, maybe you can find somebody who can do it for you. And after that, upload. And if you get to like be able to go live, then you can go ahead and go live like that and share like that. So you don't really need that much. You need motivation, and then you need to just start. You need either a phone or a camera to know how to use it a little bit. You need to record the video, you need to edit the video, you need to upload them, and then you need to share it to your other platforms. And after that, you also need to reply to the comments. Sometimes it can be mean, you can have all these people, but just reply to them. You can do a smiley face if you want to. Just reply to them, and that will help you grow, and you'll be more out there by sharing your YouTube somewhere else. Like if you have a TikTok, you don't have to dance on TikTok. You can, if you do like cooking, you can share cooking tips or cooking, you know, just share all that stuff. And if you wanna, you help people to find jobs, that you can share job tips, video ideas, and that will help you. At this moment, there's so many things that will help you, including all this AI, you know, artificial intelligence. They can help you. You can just type in like a phrase, a word. It will give out like all these ideas. So there's no excuses to do anything. Use that to grow your channel. It's easier than that. If you have a business, you're trying to promote your business, the same thing. It's already established, what you need to do is just promoting it. Tell a little bit about your business or what you do or how you're doing to help people, and it's gonna grow your business like that. So yeah, YouTube is a great platform for you to be able not to grow only, but also to help others grow and figure out whatever they're struggling in life, resolve that issue. Watch this video if you want to know how to get 1,000 subscribers fast and what you need, the do's and don'ts.